Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on Woox Smart Camera. And to do this, first you will need to download Woox Home app from Google Play Store or from the App Store. When it's installed, we'll be able to open it, and then you will need to log in or create an account. Click on Add Device, go for the cameras, scroll down and select your camera. Then we can move to the next step and perform a reset. So take your camera, flip it on the other side. There is a reset button right there that we need to press on. So press and hold that button until you hear the prompt like you've heard a second ago, and then we can move to the next step. Now we need to connect ourselves with the Wi-Fi network, and it needs to be 2.4G, and I have it right here. Enter the password. Next, we'll need to scan this QR code with our camera. So grab the camera and point it at the screen of your phone. So we just heard the prompt and we can proceed. Now it will scan for the device. And here we have the camera. You can already rename it if you like with that pen button. And we can click on Done. And here's our camera successfully paired with the app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.